Welcome back to Motorculture TV. My name's Jake. Today I'll be showing you around this 300 series and Wonderland Caravan. Yes, we're back with a brand new combo and it starts right here with the 300 series. We'll get to the Caravan in just a second, but before we do get started, I have a quick little bone to pick with you because 90% of you guys have not subscribed to the channel. So what are you doing? Support us, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification if you want to see more of these videos when they drop, but let's dive into this thing. Of course, we're going to start with the 300 series. It comes with a 3.3 litre twin turbo 6-cylinder motor delivering 300 horsepower and 700 newton meters of torque. And this thing has plenty of torque to tow the big ass Caravan on the back. In fact, you can barely even feel it when you are driving about, which is pretty sweet. And as you can see, it's got plenty of accessories. So let's run through them all. First and foremost, we actually just pointed this aside off camera just before. I really love the fact that we've got these little lights built into the grille here. I think that's a really nice touch. We've got the off-road animal bull bar down below with even more lighting inbuilt, which is pretty damn sweet too, and bash plate below. And you may have noticed down below, we're not talking stock standard, no, because we've got ourselves some aftermarket wheels and tires to make this thing a little bit more juicy off-road. And if that wasn't quite enough, you're damn right that we upgraded the suspension, and it's even got the airbag man airbags to help with the Caravan on the back. But we are still going. We've got more modifications to cover. Starting at the top here, we've got ourselves a juicy little roof rack, even the clear view mirrors to help with the towing of this Caravan. They can be pulled out and pushed in where need be, and the ZFI Cell-Fi booster, which also acts as your UHF and your mobile phone signal booster too, which means you might get a little bit of reception, and who knows, maybe we get 5G when you're out in the scrub. And you're damn right, this thing is the Sahara edition, which means it's just luxury. I'm talking heated seats, aerated seats. We've got a sunroof in here too, leather line. You've got TVs in the back for the kiddos or those who are just joining you on your adventure. You've even got the center console, which also acts as a nice little fridge, wireless phone charger, cruise control, adaptive. Yeah, literally everything. This car's got all the technology you could possibly ask for, and obviously Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Nice. And trust me, you'll be living in absolute Wonderland when you check out the inside of this. You get it? Wonderland? It's a Wonderland Caravan? You get it? Okay, let's go and have a look. Now, as Iggy Azalea once said, first things first, as you walk in, you got this huge ass bed, which you are going to love. And guess what? Can confirm, pretty comfy. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. We're not finished with the walkthrough, guys. We've got plenty more to show you. We've got this club lounge here as well. I've got to say, the finishings in this Caravan are really quite nice. You have this nice brown leather all throughout. Obviously, you've got power points absolutely everywhere. You've got blockout blinds and you've got fly screens as well. If need be, you want to let a little bit more airflow in. You even get reading lights in here. There's a full stereo system as well, and there's obviously plenty of storage. But the kitchen is just over there, so let's go check it out. Now, the kitchen is all that you need. You've got heaps of storage here. A beautiful copper stainless steel sink on offer. You've got a microwave here as well as a massive fridge and freezer. And if you do like to be cooler in this Caravan, not only do you have an aircon, but in those winter nights, you also have a diesel heater too, which you'll definitely thank me for later. Got a little bathroom back there as well with a full basin, toilet and shower. And now it's time for your favorite part of these walkthroughs, down with the details, baby. We really need to make a segment for this. Like for real. Anyway, let's get back into it. We have massive, obviously, Yokohama Geolandars on this puppy to get the job done off-road. And obviously, this Caravan is equipped with full off-road suspension. It does have 200 litres of fresh water, 100 litres of grey water, and 70 litres of drinking water. But we're not done because we've still got the 12-volt system, which you can access right here. Obviously, it's got a full lithium battery setup, including your 3,000-watt inverter. You get yourself your DC to DC, which means you can charge up while you're driving on the go, and even your MPPT solar charger as well for all those solar panels at the top. So there you have it. There's a Wonderland Caravan of 300 series right here, and guess what? As you're watching this, we're giving you the chance to win it for just $10. So if you do want to win it, I'll leave something down in the description for you and something up here for you as well, just in case. And if you want to do me a huge favor, give us a follow on our socials, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, you name it, we've got it. And obviously give us a big old subscribe on YouTube here. Hit the bell notification if you want to see more videos just like this. Hit the thumbs up as well. And let me know down in the comment section, what's your favorite thing about this entire build? Is there anything that you would add? Where would you take it? I'm very curious. So let me know. Thanks for tuning in to another Motorculture TV video. We'll see you in the next one.